Like if I should change up my menu and do jerk ribs, I would have to do it this way, meaning cut the ribs. Yeah guys, we're gonna try our piece now. So let's try this one. See what I'm going. Look at this. Good man, good. Very good. What's up guys? So today we are cancel food truck day today. It's raining. Yeah. So right now I'm gonna head out to Walmart and grab dinner. Ribs. I'm gonna jerk some ribs today. Yeah man. So stay tuned for that, yeah? Cool. Yeah guys, so this is what we're working with today. Got some baby back right there. We got some country style right there. We're using that. Yeah. So while that I get up to speed, we need that to catch up the right way, you know. So we are gonna deal with the ribs. So we are gonna season the ribs then right now. Alright. Yep. I'll get this piece off. That's what I'm going to say. Keep a napkin. Get it right off. Firstly, seasoning boy. Yep. That's how we do it, you know? Yes. So it's still raining, but we get the grill to 300. So ribs time now. These small ones. Get that right, so. Yeah guys, so I'm trying a different way. So these are the cuttings from the ribs, the actual ribs, you know, the extra, you know, this is for me for lunch. So I put them over the direct eat. But these now, smaller cuts, I think over direct eat is better. Well, it's jerk ribs, so I'm gonna flip it. You know, see, I just flip it. So it was on this side, I flip it to the, we call that side, the back. So yeah. So I'm gonna try it a different way today, because it seems like if I just leave it over here, it's gonna take a whole day. So I'm trying to get some sear on them, and then I put them over here. So these get some sear on that. So you see how these look? This is the trimmings from the actual, as I said. So yeah, you can see some corn, peppercorn there, yeah. Alright. But I think, like, if I should change up my menu and do jerk ribs, I would have to do it this way, meaning cut the ribs, you know, in bones, like each bones, and then smoke them. Because if unless somebody come and teach me the right way to do them ribs, yeah man, to, you know, say, hey, buy this smoker, put them here, leave them for 5 hours, you're gonna have to get up early. But this morning I started around 9:30, and 11 o'clock when I cut them, it was raw inside. So so, you know, I wouldn't say I failed still, but yeah. You guys, so look, all of these small pieces are getting done quicker than this big piece. So I'm gonna have to turn to plan B right now. So let me show you plan B. Plan B is cut it in smaller pieces. Yeah, this is how I'm gonna have to do it. Sorry. I guess I guess smoking the ribs is not for me, man. Yeah. Smoking the ribs is not for me. Like a whole ribs, man, I don't think that's for me. Yeah. Guys, if I continue with this whole ribs, I'm not gonna get done. So, cutting smaller pieces is the way to go. Yeah. Some would say I don't have any patience, but I think this is the best way to go. See? Yeah, man. So what I'm gonna do is just season them parts that. Yeah. So this is gonna have to be the way. Yeah. I wouldn't say fail, but fail to smoke the whole ribs, you know. Yeah, the whole ribs. I failed to smoke that, but I wouldn't say a fail because I know. Look at this. It's gonna come out right, but it's just I have to do it the way I can. Yep. Look at that. Blizzling. Ah. You guys, so let's sauce them up. This is a special sauce. So. So everything's sauced up now. See what I'm going? So I'm gonna try out that one here. See it? Try out that one here. So maybe I had no patience, but I think for me, this is the best way of doing it. For me, I'm not saying, maybe I have no patience, I couldn't wait, you know, but yeah, I think this is the best way to do it for me, you know. Cut them by bones, man, and then, you know, do them like this. Because look over here, these are almost done. And I know they're tender. Imagine if I'd have the whole rack of ribs on this thing, it wouldn't be done for now. So yeah, going forward, I think this is the way I'm gonna do it. Yeah, I'm gonna sauce them up in a little bit, you know. They still need to go more. This one still needs some time. But look at these over here. Yeah, man. Only need sauce now and just stay there on low. Yeah, man. Yeah, guys, we're gonna try our piece now. So let's try this one. See what I'm going. Look at this. Good, man. Good, good, good. Very good. So I guess this is the way I'm gonna do ribs from now on. The whole ribs not gonna work. No, that's not gonna work for me. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Bless up everybody. Final product, guys. Final product.